In this video, I'll be showing you how to add pop-up calendar date picker in Google Sheets. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do is open your document in Google Sheets. Then select the target cells and click and drag your mouse over the exact cells and rows where you want the calendar pop-up to activate. Then move your cursor to the top bar and then go ahead and click data. Now select data validation from the bar. So we're going to go ahead and click this, and a data validation rules panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Click the add rule button, which is going to be that right here. And then look inside the configuration card layout and locate the criteria drop-down selection field, and then click it and select valid date from the menu choices. So you'll have a bunch of different options. So, you can literally just choose anything you want, to be honest. You can even go over to advanced options and select anything too. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.